Yo, what's up, y'all? Some people ask me for this video every now and then, a room tour. So, I guess I'll do it today. I'll start off with the most important thing in here. My bed. It's where I sleep at night. It's pretty comfortable. These covers are thin. I haven't got sheets. These sheets are annoying. And they always get in the way. I guess we'll move to my TV. I mean, there's a PlayStation hooked up to it, but it's really never used. And there's a gun cleaner, airsoft gun, a bow, an arrow. But I mainly just watch YouTube off of it on the PlayStation. Then we'll go to over here. That's just my dresser. It's got random stuff on it. Signed baseballs from like Georgia Southern game. Fishing line. I took a gun from when I was little. I don't know why it's in here. And then Hailer. This is empty. I don't even know why it's still in here. I need to throw that away. This is also my favorite thing. I got a little trash can. Oh, who dropped my hat? This is one of my favorite parts of my room. This is where all the hats go. There's not much over here. There's a couple. There's a good bit. There's some nice ones, some decent ones. Where's my new Braves hat I was gonna wear? Hold up, y'all. Is this it? Oh, that's the best pro hat. I don't wear that. There's too many posers wear that hat. So I never wear mine. Cause I ain't no poser, son. Fish, for real. There it is. It's pretty clean. It's just all black. I found it and I ordered it. I'm saving where the editing happens for a minute. Alright, here's just a dresser. This is me when I was a little boy. Look at me, I got to meet Troy from Swamp People. No, that's Jordan. This is Dad. I forgot their names. I had a picture with RJ too, but I can't find it in his son. Now, why is my American Fletcher hat over here? That's what I was looking for. These boots are too little, just a bunch of old shoes and stuff that I acquired over the years. My new boots are outside. I know, out of this room. Alright, hold up, y'all. I gotta turn everything on. Show y'all where the magic happens. No, I'm not no gamer. I just have all this. I don't even know how I acquired all this keyboard and mouse stuff. Is this not turned on? They unplugged that. Yes, they did. The cleaning people came today. That's why I figured it'd be fitting to make this video. Let me plug this back in for y'all. So my monitor will work today. Hope they didn't reset my monitor settings, because that was like, took me hours to figure out how to work. Well, I probably shouldn't show my YouTube studio. All that. I'll show the dashboard. Actually, I don't even know if I should do that, because I think that's frowned upon by YouTube. I'll just show my Instagram. Hold up, I do need to drag that out over there. Alright, that was... No. This one connected? Yeah, it is, alright. Let me get on this one. And drag it over here. To the other monitor. Alright. Still a little bit new to all this technology stuff. I'll just go to comments, so I can leave it on there, I think. Alright. And then the Instagram. Alright. I think we're good. I'll show y'all my home screen real quick. So that's just comments on the video. That's my home screen. So that's my home screen on my phone, because I don't have many pictures. It used to be Deucing the 420. Yeah, that goes on there. Then on this one, this is my laptop. I do a little bit of editing on here. But this is this. But I think I went back to iMovie on the phone, because I'm learning to use it better and edit on it. This computer's just made for managing videos, YouTube Studio, and business. Same thing with this one. But I'm trying to get one of them nice gaming laptops. I have this laptop for like what I use it for now. Then clear out over here, right here. Probably get another monitor so I can have 4. Clear out over there. Slide this to the side. Have the gaming laptop over there and the monitor there. And the laptop's on the side. So I have 4 screens. I can work, edit, do everything I need to do faster. This is the headset I used. It was a PlayStation mic a while ago, but the mic doesn't work that well, so I'm just using it here. Keyboard I ended up with Christmas somehow. The same thing with the mouse. It just kind of matches it. Then I got knives. I don't really use this one. This one's dull. I ain't never sharpened it. I don't care who you are. Knives are cool. This one's probably my sharpest one. This is my work knife, really. Yeah, I don't remember where I acquired that. It's just a little buck knife. It's also my work knife, I guess you could call it. Right there. Headset, like I said. I'm gonna try to close this. All this GoPro stuff, head mount, wallet, GoPro selfie stick, just mount, tripod, and gotta fix that. GoPro speaker. There was something else in here that I figured I should show you all that's important to the videos. Well, I'm recording on my iPhone right now. I'm probably gonna get, when I get that laptop, a newer GoPro. So I have 2 GoPros now for more angles, and a laptop and a really nice vlog camera. So I don't have to use my phone no more. Then, what else is in here? There was something else that made this setup important about it. Oh, I got a phone mount. That's just my speaker. That's just for like off camera, chilling. There was something else. I can't even think of it now. Not my wallet. I don't even know. Oh, shout out to my sponsor. I guess I'll say that. I'm waiting. Statesboro Power Sports. Y'all go check them out. They're added on my Instagram. Go leave them a follow. Go pay them a visit if you're in the 912 area or anywhere near. It's worth the drive. Trust me, no matter how far you are. They'll get you right. And go follow my socials. There was something else though. I know there was. Oh, this is what it was. My new helmet for riding. This thing's funny, found it online for sale. It's pretty hard. This thing's actually safe. I got a GoPro mount on it. You know I'm gonna whip this, put some stickers on it. I'm gonna be rocking that thing, son. That's for the winter when it's cold. And just cause that's probably when I'll have some faster stuff, so I'm gonna need me a helmet. Right now I just use the head strap most of the time unless I'm doing stupid stuff, and I wear my helmet, cause safety first, kids. But what else is there? How to show y'all? I might go hunting this weekend, probably. Hopefully, there's something else. Oh, this is my airsoft gun. This thing's maxed out, son. We got a flashlight, grip. Like, that one's not the coolest. I might get a nicer one. I don't know if y'all want to see airsoft videos. The one airsoft video I did good, so I might get some more airsoft stuff for them. And my hunting video got demonetized the other day, so I gotta be even more careful now. Apparently, can't really show the deer as much, or like they're laid out dead. A picture of me holding one up, son, but if it's just a deer and they get mad, that's how they demonetized it last time. What else is over here? Where's my 308? Is that it? My 308's right there. I don't know if you can see it, that green gun. Right there, in the corner. It's got a new scope on it. The thing's mean, son. We'll go outside while we're doing this tour. I also need to explain where the TTR's been, so why not? What are Deuce and Lizzie doing? I left them outside because I'm about to come see him. Hey, Lizzie. Hi, Deuce. Look at Lizzie, y'all. Look at her. What are you doing? She about fell down. Get him. Barney's loaded up on the trailer, you already know. He took that to the golf course a while ago, I think. That's why it's still in the trailer. Not today, because my daddy ain't home. Wait, what was I talking about? He's playing golf, so I forgot. Oh, I ain't going hunting today, and I got basketball, so I ain't doing that. But what was I going to say? Probably tomorrow when I have the most free time, because because I got all afternoon tomorrow. I'm changing the oil on this right here because it's about that time. I've been riding it a good bit. And then I'm washing it. I'm going to make a detailing video on how to change the oil on one of these. It's pretty simple. So, yeah, I'm definitely doing it tomorrow. Like, I mean that. I'm not backing out. I just ain't been really in the mood for it. Getting all oil in and washing it. Because that's kind of like one of the most boring parts about owning a four-wheeler, maintaining it. Then the reason why this thing, I know y'all wondering what happened to the throttle. Well, this thing, I fell on it riding, so that cracked the throttle body. So I had to take it off. I got a new one coming in at the end of the month. I'm putting it back together. I'm going to make a video on this on some trails. Like over there that I want to hit, and over there, one y'all have never seen. I saw that one on Aliens four-wheeler. Well, no, I didn't show it, but it's a trail. Then after that, I'm gonna ride it, that one video. Then the next day probably. That same day, I gotta wash this thing off. If y'all wanna see that, comment down below. Get it ready, and then I'm selling it, and she'll be gone. And like I said, end of the month, early November, this thing's gone. So it was nice having it. It was fun. Just too small. So it's gone, saving the money for something bigger, another four-wheeler. Y'all see. Y'all are going to be hyped. And then after I get another four-wheeler, if y'all keep killing the videos, and y'all have got me set, like, thank all of y'all. But I'm going to try and get a truck on the channel to work on for when I get older to drive, or just go ahead and get one built so I can save money when I'm older. Then I want to buy me another dog. No offense to Deuce. I need a hunting dog. Neither of them are a hunting dog. I'm going to get probably another golden. And so we can have puppies with Lizzie. And we can sell them. I don't know if we're doing that, but I just want another golden. This is my hunting dog. Then I'm probably going to get another dirt bike that's bigger. Then, who knows what I'll do from then. Yet again, I'll probably change my mind somewhere down there. But I think that's all I got to say this video. So, that's getting fixed soon, probably the Ranger, but I don't really know what it's going to be used for. Probably not hunting. It's too loud, and that does a great job as a hunting rig, the 420. I don't know. It ain't getting snorkel before y'all say mud build it. No, I ain't mud building that. I don't really want to. It's just going to be something that I can cruise on, I guess. But probably like to put out corn and stuff, so what I'll use it for, and that's it. But, so yeah, peace out. I'll see y'all in the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed.